Software engineering is dead. Not the people, but the structure. A new paper on arXiv reveals how AI agents are turning code into disposable tools. Welcome to the era of agent as a service, where logic is no longer static. Look at the Effloow lab simulation results. Traditional SaaS failed 50% of requests when new features were required. Meanwhile, the AAS model handled every single intent by generating and discarding 4 unique tools on the fly. In traditional software, your code is the carrier of decision logic. You write it, test it, and deploy it. But in the as paradigm, the reasoning loop of the LLM becomes the only stable component of the system. What is ephemeral code? It is logic generated for a single task and then immediately deleted. There is no persistent billing handler. The agent builds the scaffolding it needs in real time, then burns it down once the task is done. SaaS moved logic to the cloud, but the code remained permanent. Developers still had to manually update functions for new edge cases. It was frictionless delivery of rigid logic, still bound by the constraints of version control. AAAS moves decision logic into the LLM reasoning loop. The agent's context and memory are the actual product. Complexity shifts away from the codebase entirely, making the software capable of adapting to intents without a single manual update. Every assumption we have, testing, CI/CD, and code reviews, rests on the idea that code is permanent. If code is disposable, our entire engineering pipeline is obsolete. We are moving from maintaining repositories to managing reasoning chains. Effloow Labs POC proved the theory. While the SaaS model hit a wall with unknown features, the AOS agent dynamically adapted. It didn't need a developer to push a fix, it simply reasoned through the new requirement. The era of code as logic is ending. We are entering a world where software is a fluid reasoning process, not a static artifact. Developers must pivot from writing functions to architecting autonomous agent loops. Stay ahead of the structural shift in software engineering. Read the full breakdown of arXiv 260605608 and see the POC results at effloow.com.